Okay, welcome everybody back to the bonus content. And if you've seen any of the other videos, you know this is the time where I'm going to ask my guest a super important question that's going to help you today. So welcome back, Mitch.
Hey, thanks, Paul.
All right, so Mitch is quivering as I speak, and I'm about to ask this question for him. Have we got a sound effect for that anywhere? Nothing?
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah,
That's a
that'll work.
porcupine, by the way.
That's a porcupine. Well,
Yeah.
I've learned something new today as well. Excellent stuff. That's cool. Right, so we're going to dive into it. So, Mitch, if you only had, or you could only do one thing in the next 30 days to guarantee an increase in profits, what would that one thing be?
Run a giveaway.
Run a giveaway. Okay, so
There's your short, quick answer. That's not what you were after,
that's
was
the
it?
short, quick answer we were trying to avoid. Excellent stuff. So if you were to tweak something, or let's say as an affiliate marketer, what should they or could they do? How could they put a giveaway together to help increase profits, for example? What do you think they
Well,
should do?
the simple thing is you've already niched down. You have a specific thing that you are trying to grab a list of people, right? We got to build our list because that's where we're going to get the income from. You already have some products that you're probably already registered as an affiliate for. Put together a package of several of those things. It's going to cost you a little bit of money to put together you're going to end up buying those as an affiliate, right? You're not going to use your affiliate code because that would be cheating.
Yep.
You're going to buy it directly from the vendor, full price, whatever. But that's going to take things that people in your niche are going to want. They're going to end up wanting to buy it from you. And you're going to encourage them by running a contest the way we preach doing them today. You're going to get them to share with other people, and that's going to grow your email list. And that's where your income's going to come from. So you've already got a beginning of a list, most likely, if you still have that from the time you started. At least your question didn't say you've got nothing to start with. You do have a list. Even if it's 100 people, you can start there. Encourage them to share your contest because they're already your biggest fans. Reward them, like we talked about before. Reward them for doing the sharing aspects, and there's all kinds of ways of doing that. And grow your list. And within a month, you could add 100 people easy, maybe 500 at $1 per lead per month. You're growing your income right away.
That's the big takeaway. That is the big
Yeah.
takeaway. Mitch, that's amazing. Again, super amount of value. Loved having you on. It's been amazing. Now, I'm going to make sure that I include all the links that you can get started specifically with Mitch, but also with giveaways as well. There's a product that I know of. I have a copy of it. I've been poking around inside of it, but Mitch is your go-to guy for this thing. He knows it inside and out. He's probably ran hundreds, if not thousands of contests. And if you are looking to try and leverage your affiliate business as much as possible using contests, and it's not that scary, believe you and me, then Mitch is definitely the guy to go to for this. So I'm going to make sure there's some links below this video so you can get access right away. Thanks again, Mitch, for coming on. It's been awesome.
Thank you, Paul. I appreciate being a guest.